Are you toxic? If you have any of these symptoms, hangry, sugar cravings, stubborn belly fat you can't get rid of, mood swings, irritability, fatigue, you are probably loaded with toxins, chemicals. How do you get rid of these chemicals so that you can shed that belly fat? Well, Isagenix has been doing it now for 22 years, and with product-based, science-based, third-party published studies, and people that get results, you can't go wrong with this one. So what are we going to do? What is the difference with our company and everybody else? Well, three pillars. The detox agent that you're going to be consuming during your intermittent fasting, and the protein, clean protein. You need protein to get metabolism going. And then, of course, all the live minerals, adaptogens, everything is clean sourced. Here's my story. 2018, when I started on these products, I didn't think I was too fat, but I lost 2 pounds, 3 inches, and my lean muscle started showing up again. So we have our next big Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. All these are ways that you can participate in the 11-day reset between Thanksgiving and Christmas. Shed the toxins, get rid of the gut, definitely feel better, get your energy back, starting with everybody's budget, 7-day, $99. The next one you can participate is the 11-day. All these are discounted 20% plus free shipping. If you go into the packages, the premium pack, $316, you're saving $78, and there's 54 meals. The value pack, same thing as the first pack, but more products and savings of $123. The ultimate package, this is great for husband and wife or two spouses. You can get this package discounted $215, and join me. I'm offering you my free services for this 11-day web coaching. It'll take maybe 5 minutes a day. You're going to eat anyway. Why not eat clean, reboost your metabolism, and look fit, trim, and energetic for Christmas?